why wouldn't someone just talk to the AI and get the AI to do everything for you? So what this is this allows you to do lots of different things. And I've got some examples on this page. You can actually look down below. So if you're a course creator, basically all you need to do is connect this up. You put in a wee code into ChatGPT or to Claude, it connects up, and then you can talk to AI and it can deploy sales funnels for you. It can sell, it can create links. You can connect it up to automated AI that can basically create products on the fly to sell. And it has everything you would need to deliver the purchase that someone's made, and also even better, which is a really key thing that you will not find, I don't think, anywhere else, is that you can completely customize your checkout pages. You can completely customize your funnels. We've got one-click upsells. We've got bump offers. We've got affiliate marketing already built in. We've got tax compliance. We have all of that already inside of the system. And this is how you use it. Now I'm going to show you the dashboard in just a moment. This dashboard is if you want to verify and you want to check what the AI is doing. So I use this kind of like a secondary tool. However, if I wanted to, what I could do is I could load up Claude. So I've connected this up. You can see GoCushy is connected and fully live. So you do that quick connection that I shared with you. And then from there, what you can do, and I'm just going to move this a little bit around so I can do this really quickly and show you this, is basically then you can copy and paste different things into here. So if I wanted to, for example, I can take this prompt. This is a prompt just from down below that you'll see on this page. This is from a course creator or from a consultant. I could use these prompts as examples. An agency, I could use these prompts as an example. And we have docs that goes into all that you can do with this. You can even integrate it with Xero and collect all of your data through Xero. You can run subscriptions, affiliates, all of that is available through this, integrated with your email marketing company, all of that. And this is why that matters. So if I wanted to right now, I could just build something and say, for example, I'm building a sales funnel, I'm building a website, maybe I'm working with a client of mine, and I'm inside of my AI interface. I'm inside of this work area. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to make sure that I have an offer ready. So what I can do with this is I can do that very thing. I can ask it to create a payment link, and that payment link will be a checkout page, which a customer or a person who's interested, I can send them it, and they can then go ahead and purchase. It could be, for example, a checkout link with a bump offer. It could be integrated with PayPal, my Stripe. It sends out receipts. It sends out the tax information that would be required. You can adjust that yourself as you want to, and so on. So how would you like your buyer to receive this course? I could say community login, for example. We have an integration with GoCushy in Community, so I could do that. Community is obviously one of my other projects. I could have a different link. So if I was sharing an ebook, something like that, I could do that, or I could have an on-screen note. Now in this case, because it's I believe we're building a course, so it kind of makes sense to do community. We'll do a community login, and this could also be another membership software. If you use another membership software, this could also be used. How is it going to be delivered? The $199 coaching call, let's say booking link. It's going to go out. It's going to create this right now. Now, if you have, for example, a Calendly connected up, if Calendly is connected up with your AI, it could create that booking link inside of Calendly, and it could trigger something so only people that purchased went and were able to book that call with Calendly, just like we have with Community. If someone purchases this from me, this product that I'm creating right now, what it's going to do is it's going to mean that just people that buy are going to be able to gain access to that membership. So there we go. It's going ahead. It's doing it. And we can come back and we can see what it has done. In the meantime, I'll show you some other things that we can do here as well. So if I wanted to, here we go, booking URL for coaching call, your Calendly, Savvy call, whatever. Right, it's building this. So let me show you some other things that you can do while that is going, and we'll come back to this in just a moment. So we could do this if we're course creators. We could do this if we're coaches or consultants. Agencies can do this, newsletter or content creators, memberships. So if we're using Community, for example, we could use this, or school, or whatever solution you're using. If you're a software developer like me, what you could do is you could use this to connect up your software. So if you were planning to sell some software, you can connect it up through these prompts inside of your AI. E-commerce will work as well. And anyone basically running a launch. If you're running a launch, you want to have affiliates jump on board, or maybe you just want to sell something quickly, you can do that with this. You can even use coupons, as you can see here, to assign special promotion times. So here we are. This is an example. Deliver it quickly so we can see how this works. Include a bump offer and one upgrade. Go. All right. And we'll see what it comes back with. Now, let's do that. So the AI is going to work. What I have also got here is a dashboard. Now, when you get inside of GoCushy, you're going to see that you can do everything that you want to do inside of the dashboard if you really want to as well. So this is not just refined to being able to do this through AI and talking with AI and getting your agentic AI or your AI that doesn't need you to prompt it. Maybe it's a support agent or something like that. It can create links. What we can also do is we can go through here our fast start. We connect our Stripe account. We can create our first offer. We can set up how buyers receive that offer. We can add our support URL, our company information for tax reasons, for our receipts and all that, or invoices. So we can do all of this as well. And then we can also review our recent orders. We can also view recent activities. You can see the recent activity that I've had within this account. And we've also then got these tabs up above. So we've got our different offers. So this offer that I'm building right now inside of Claude is going to show up within this offer list right here. And you can see that every offer comes with a checkout. So right now, if I wanted to, I could load this checkout. You can see this one. You can customize your logo up here. You can customize a banner here as well. Customize the colors, the fonts. And as you can see here, you can customize the text on this button as well with AI if you want to. You've got all the information here. So someone, if you wanted to sell to someone, or if you wanted to add this to one of your sales pages, you can do that. You just grab the link over here, copy it. You then add it in. It loads that checkout. It's a short link. It loads the checkout, and then someone pays. And the great thing about this software as well is that, say, for example, we're editing this. We also have a delivery link. So we can send them to a thank you page. And we can also add a webhook. We've got webhooks here. So if you've got a webhook, you can then automatically unlock that package they've purchased and send them an email with their access information as well. We've got some notes. You can customize the access notes. And then you can also add order bumps, bump headlines, one-click upsells, upsell headlines. You can change the button as well, what's said. You can add no thanks links for those upgrades. You can customize your own logo, your own banner, and also the headline. And you can also choose from a range of different templates. To help you, if you want to, you can obviously build within the dashboard, or you can use the prompt library that we have available there as well as an option. Cool. So when we're ready, we can also test our offers as well. So if we wanted to test this is in test mode. I could fill this out. I could simulate the payment, and I can see exactly how my customers are going to go through my payment situation as well. All right, so let's go back now to our AI. So we're going to allow this task. I'm actually just going to go and tell it to skip all approvals. Yes, continue. And it's going to go ahead and build this. So what it's doing now is it's running the delivery. It's creating everything. It says the funnel's live. As you can see, it was very quick. Once I started paying attention to it, it's very quick. And it's in my account as well. So I can refresh over here. And I'll just go over here and put this in here. So this is the AI playbook that it's created. It's created it with a bump offer of $19. It's created an upsell, and we can view my checkout right here as well. Cool. So now you can see there's no description here. There's no logo. There's no banner. We can ask it to add all those different things in. So I could say, add more information to check out about the product. Add a custom logo to the top and banner so we can see how it might look. Go through and make sure everything is ready for publishing. Cool. And just from having this conversation in whichever chat I'm in, it could be that I'm building a course, it could be that I'm building an ebook, it could be I'm building software, anything. We can then say, hey, can you deploy this on GoCushy? And then you can send that or add that link to whichever sales funnel you want, send it out to a customer. Or if you have a customer contacting you wanting a special payment link, maybe with tax added or not without text added. Sometimes these things happen. I get different questions about these things. I can just ask my AI now to give me a link, and then I can send that link out to that person as a customized one-time link as well. I can also generate coupons. I can generate special coupon links, which I'll show you right now while it's doing this. If I go back over here now, we go to our offers page. We scroll down. You can see my coupons here. I can deploy different coupons. I can have coupon links that I generate, so I can send out links to auto-apply those coupons. You get $50 off. If I go like this and I send this out to a customer of mine, there we go, and it's got the coupon discount applied automatically, so it's ready to go, and you can do this as well. So we've also got affiliates. You can send out or generate links for affiliates, and you can send those links out to affiliates to start selling your products as well. So any of these products you create that anyone purchases, you can send that out to affiliates, and you can actually automatically generate this when someone purchases from you. You can set them up as an affiliate as well. All of that available within here. So, all right, let's have a look. So this is done. We've got our link. It has a few notes here for the fact I think you probably understand what I'm getting at here. We can go ahead. We can use this link, paste it in. There we go. So it's customized. Now, in this case, it's used this particular format. You could have a square over here if you wanted to as well. That's okay. We could tell it to customize it if we wanted to, but you get the point. We can now deploy these links effortlessly and sell with AI very quickly. So this slots into that piece where if you need a checkout solution that you want AI to be able to help you with and support you with, or if you're building lots of products or doing this for clients, now you've got a solution where it slots into that piece where, hey, I want to make sure I can make money with AI. This is your ticket to doing that. You can generate checkout links, you can sell, 0 transaction fees, and you can get access today at a big discount as a founder of this software. So if you want to get access, go down below. You can view these different use cases. I wanted to show you these. These are some examples, but by no means are they all you can do with it. You can actually do a huge lot more with this. You never play around with it once you get in. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can start building with this, and all you really need is you just need a Stripe account or a PayPal account, or we even have Airwallex being added in, which is a great multi-currency solution that I personally use, which has been fantastic. Go down below, get access to this. You can also go here, and if you go into and you get access to this offer, if I go over here, you can see all that's included, and I go claim this, get access. You can also add this in if you want worldwide tax compliance, you want the affiliate feature, that's an upgrade, invoices, and also some EU related things that are necessary to run your EU business if you're in the EU. Or if you're dealing with any customers in the EU, then this upgrade is definitely necessary. It will be more in the future, but right now it's just $95, and you can add that to your order. All right, I'm Sam Becker. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you again soon. All right, see you later.